Today, we'll show you how to install your Britax convertible car seat forward-facing using the vehicle seatbelt. Unhook the tether from the seat back and place it over the headrest. Adjust the recline. Before placing it in a vehicle and working on a level surface, recline the unoccupied car seat to an appropriate position. Pull the recline handle and rotate the seat until the recline indicator ball is in the correct forward-facing position. Use the recline indicator to help achieve an acceptable recline angle. For forward-facing installation, the indicator ball must be completely within the dashed green lines. If you have difficulty achieving the proper angle, refer to your user guide. Place the car seat in the vehicle in the forward-facing position. Be sure the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat. Check the recline angle again to ensure it is in the proper position since being placed in the vehicle. Place the tether over the seat back. Open the ClickTight by lifting the front cover flap. Squeeze the ClickTight release buttons. Slide both the lap and shoulder parts of the vehicle seat belt through the forward-facing belt paths. Buckle the seatbelt. Be sure the vehicle belt is not twisted. Remove slack from the lap part and then the shoulder part of the vehicle belt. Close the ClickTight and listen for a click to confirm it's secure. Ensure both gray ClickTight release buttons are visible. Attach the tether hook to the vehicle's tether anchor. Pull the end of the loose tether strap to remove any slack. Check the recline to ensure it is in the appropriate position. Check that the car seat cannot be moved front to back or side to side more than 1 inch at the belt path. Follow the same process for the Poplar S convertible car seat. Happy travels!